Hey there, YouTube. I've been wanting to do this video for a while. I'm restoring this rock garden here, and it's amazing. I've never seen one like it before. Take you on a little tour of it. Got down to 21 degrees last night. All the leaves are falling off the trees. But this is a reservoir where all the water from the house fills this up when it rains. It's kind of neat. This thing's dead, but it's pretty neat. I redid this area here. Did a lot of work in here. Still doing work. Tell me if you've ever seen a garden like this, rock garden. Well, that's about it. Tell me what you think in the comments.